Today we'll talk about how can you enable message penalty on your FotMob app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on default match notifications. Then it's going to show for us a list like this. And all you have to do, just come here to message penalty here and you click in this sign. Now like you see here, this color show for us as main message penalty, it's enabled with us now. You go down here, click on down, so then it's going to add with us on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.